Want to finally wave goodbye to AI characters that look like they're in a perpetual identity crisis? We're diving straight into making consistently recognizable characters with Leonardo AI. First, craft a highly detailed character description. Think specific hairstyle, clothing, eye color, any distinguishing features. The more detail, the better Leonardo AI can understand and repeat your character. Next, use Leonardo AI's prompt magic. For better detail, this adds more detail to the character's description. To avoid unwanted characteristics, utilize the negative prompt. Include terms like ugly, deformed, or asymmetrical to steer the AI away from generating undesirable features. This is key. Utilize the image-to-image feature. Upload an image of your character now. Subsequent generations will be influenced by the original's key features. Adjust the image weight slider to control how closely the new image resembles the original. Higher weights means stronger resemblance. Experiment to find the sweet spot. Now, in the generation settings, select the character consistency ControlNet. This is critical for maintaining character consistency across generations. And there you have it. A consistent character in Leonardo AI, ready to star in your stories, grace your brand, or fulfill any creative vision you have. Now go and create something amazing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tips and tricks.